Now let's check out cabin 8530, which is the Roy O. Disney suite. This is one of only 2 royal suites on board. These are categorized as concierge royal suites with verandas. They're quite large. It sleeps up to 7. We've got 2 bedrooms. Let's take a look. These are the best cabins on board. You see here walk-in wardrobe, plenty of space, lots of hanging areas. Here is 1 queen bed in 1 bedroom. Privacy curtain there and a door. One of the bathrooms, it's a large bathroom, bathtub there. A very large shower, a rainfall shower head. See the curtains as well as a sliding door here. A little seating area, a pull down bed in here. See the whistling Mickey artwork. Heading out to the balcony, this is a large balcony as well. Look just how long it is. You can almost play cricket on the balcony. Here is the butler's pantry area, coffee machine, etc. The seating area, the dining table. Now you can order palo from this suite. Some Disney themed artwork. Here is the palo menu. Take a look at it. What are your favourite food? This is the 2nd bedroom with the 2 twins, and you can see the pull down beds from the top. Another bathroom. And another walk-in wardrobe. This really is the biggest suite on board. It is an amazing suite. I'd love to stay in here myself, maybe one day. See a seating area here with a large TV. There's plenty of space for the whole family or friends, depending who you're traveling with. And there you have it. That's the Disney Wonder.